Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by installing the Riyadh Bus app and granting location and notification access so routes show nearby stops. Once done, add a payment method, card or wallet, because you will pay fares within the app. Next, create your account using your phone number and verify the OTP. This links trips to your profile for receipts and transfers. Make sure to set preferred language and transport card settings so the app displays fares and routes that match your needs. You now plan your trip by entering origin and destination. The app shows several route options with times and transfers, so pick the one that minimizes walking or transfers. Once selected, review estimated fare and duration. If you have a preferred transfer window or fewer transfers, choose accordingly. Then purchase a ticket. Select single ride, day pass, or use stored balance for faster checkout. After payment, save the ticket to the wallet and note boardings. You board by showing your mobile ticket or tapping your linked smart card as instructed. This validates the fare and starts the trip. During travel, use live tracking and ETA alerts to follow progress and know when to disembark. At journey end, your receipt appears in history for refunds or expense reports. If something goes wrong, ticket not recognized or route missing, refresh the app, toggle location, check network, and if still unresolved, contact in-app support with Trip ID for quick resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.